Quantum Computing and Artificial Intelligence, a Breakthrough in Cancer Treatment. Date, January 31, 2025. Event Summary. The convergence of quantum computing and artificial intelligence (AI) holds transformative potential for cancer treatment, particularly in targeting previously elusive proteins. A recent study co-led by the University of Toronto and Insilico Medicine published in Nature Biotechnology underscores how these advanced technologies can streamline the drug discovery process with a focus on the KRAS protein implicated in approximately 25% of human cancers. Key findings from the research. 1. Targeting KRAS. The KRAS protein is notorious for its role in promoting uncontrolled cell growth in various cancers. Currently, only 2 FDA-approved drugs target mutant KRAS and their efficacy is limited. The study highlights how the integration of quantum computing with generative AI can facilitate the creation of new drug molecules that effectively interact with this challenging protein. 2. Innovative methodology. Researchers employed a hybrid approach, merging quantum computing with classical computational methods. They utilized a custom dataset of 1.1 million molecules, screening them through Insilico Medicine's generative AI engine Chemistry 42. This rigorous screening identified 15 promising candidates, with 2 demonstrating significant potential in targeting multiple KRAS mutations in live cells. 3. Accelerated drug discovery. Traditional drug discovery is often a lengthy and labor-intensive process. This study suggests that integrating AI and quantum computing could dramatically reduce the preclinical phase of drug discovery, potentially shortening timelines by years. Igor Stalger, a co-investigator, emphasized the advantages of cloud-based screening over conventional methods, which are resource-intensive. For future prospects, while the study serves as a proof of principle, it opens avenues for further research targeting other undruggable proteins. The team intends to optimize the 2 lead candidates against KRAS and explore their applications to other challenging proteins. Common themes across sources. Integration of quantum computing and AI. The synergistic effect of combining these technologies is consistently highlighted as a means to tackle complex biological challenges. Focus on KRAS. The emphasis on KRAS underscores the urgent need for innovative therapeutic strategies in oncology. Potential for faster drug discovery. The prospect of significantly reducing the timeline for preclinical drug discovery is a recurring theme, emphasizing the practical implications of this research. Differences and limitations. While the core findings are consistent, nuances exist in focus across various sources. Source 1 provides detailed insights into the methodology and future research directions. Source 2 summarizes findings, emphasizing the overall impact on cancer treatment. Source 3 faced technical issues, limiting access to detailed information. Timeline of events. January 27, 2025. The study is published in Nature Biotechnology, showcasing the integration of quantum computing and AI in targeting the KRAS protein. Future directions. Researchers plan to extend their hybrid model to other undruggable protein targets, aiming for further advancements in cancer therapeutics. Conclusion. The integration of quantum computing and AI represents a promising frontier in cancer treatment, potentially leading to breakthroughs in targeting previously inaccessible proteins. As research advances, the ambitious goal of curing various cancers by 2030 may become increasingly achievable, driven by the innovative approaches highlighted in this study. The collaboration between academia and industry exemplifies how collective expertise can facilitate significant advancements in healthcare, paving the way for transformative changes in cancer therapeutics. This report encapsulates the significant advancements in cancer treatment facilitated by the convergence of quantum computing and AI, underlining the urgent need for innovative solutions in oncology. As research progresses, the dream of curing cancer could inch closer to reality. The content contains several counterintuitive elements regarding the intersection of quantum computing, artificial intelligence (AI), and cancer treatment, particularly in the context of drug discovery for undruggable proteins like KRAS. Here are some of the counterintuitive insights. 1. Quantum computing's role. One might intuitively assume that quantum computers will outperform classical computers in drug discovery tasks due to their advanced capabilities. However, the researchers themselves acknowledge that their study does not definitively prove that quantum computing is superior in this context. Alan Aspie-Rogusek, a co-author, explicitly states that the results do not show any significant quantum advantage, indicating that while quantum computing can be integrated into AI-driven drug discovery, it has not yet surpassed classical methods in effectiveness. 2. Perception of undruggable proteins. It may seem counterintuitive that proteins labeled as undruggable can become drug targets through the innovative combination of AI and quantum computing. The term undruggable typically evokes a sense of hopelessness in drug development. However, the study's findings suggest that with advanced computational methods, researchers can potentially create viable therapeutic candidates against these challenging targets, challenging the notion that certain proteins are permanently off limits for drug development. 3. Speed of drug discovery. The conventional belief is that drug discovery is an inherently slow and cumbersome process. The researchers claim that the integration of AI and quantum computing can significantly accelerate the preclinical phase, potentially reducing the timeline by years. This presents a counterintuitive shift from the traditional view of drug discovery as a laborious endeavor, suggesting that technological advancements might fundamentally alter the pace at which new drugs can be developed. 4. Existing solutions versus new discoveries. The study highlights that there are only 2 FDA-approved drugs targeting mutant KRAS with limited effectiveness, which may lead one to believe that current solutions are insufficient and no new methods can provide better results. However, the use of AI and quantum computing to identify new therapeutic candidates indicates that innovative methods can yield new possibilities even when existing options are limited. 5. Collaborative synergy. The collaboration between academia and industry is seen in the partnership between the University of Toronto and Insilico Medicine suggests a more impactful approach to drug discovery than might be expected. This challenges the belief that breakthroughs in medical research are primarily driven by academic or industry efforts alone, emphasizing that synergistic partnerships can lead to significant advancements. 6. Projections for cures by 2030. The ambitious claim that quantum computing combined with AI could lead to a cure for all cancers by 2030 may seem overly optimistic, especially considering the complexity and heterogeneity of cancer. This projection contrasts sharply with the historical challenges faced in oncology, where comprehensive cures have remained elusive. It embodies a counterintuitive belief that technological advancements alone could accelerate progress to such an extent that a universal cancer cure could be attainable within a decade. In summary, the integration of quantum computing and AI in cancer treatment offers insights that challenge conventional wisdom, particularly regarding the capabilities of these technologies, the nature of undruggable proteins, the pace of drug development, and the collaborative dynamics of research. The potential to achieve breakthroughs in cancer therapies within a short timeframe represents both an opportunity and a radical shift in expectations for medical research. The report on the convergence of quantum computing and artificial intelligence (AI) in the quest to find a cure for cancer, particularly focusing on the KRAS protein, contains several critical insights that many may overlook. Here's a detailed exploration of those insights and their significance. 1. The notion of undruggable proteins. Most discussions around cancer treatment focus on existing therapies, often neglecting the complexities of targeting undruggable proteins. The KRAS protein is a prime example. It plays a crucial role in many cancers but has been notoriously resistant to drug interventions. The significance of this lies not only in the immediate implications for treating cancers that involve KRAS mutations but also in the broader context of cancer biology. By effectively targeting these proteins, researchers could potentially unlock new therapeutic avenues that could change the landscape of cancer treatment. The study highlights a shift in how we view these proteins, not as insurmountable challenges but as potential targets through innovative technology. 2. Hybrid approaches to drug discovery. The study's methodology, which integrates quantum computing with generative AI and classical methods, represents a significant advance in drug discovery processes. Traditional drug discovery is expensive and time-consuming, often taking years. However, the hybrid approach showcased in this research could drastically reduce that timeline. This is significant because the faster we can identify and develop effective treatments, the sooner patients can benefit from these advancements. The ability to screen vast libraries of molecules and identify viable candidates efficiently could revolutionize not just cancer research but pharmaceutical development as a whole. 3. Potential for accelerated drug development. The report emphasizes the potential for shortening the preclinical phase of drug discovery by years, which is often a bottleneck in bringing new treatments to market. This aspect is often overlooked in broader discussions about cancer treatment advancements. The significance lies in the real-world implications of getting drugs to market faster, including reducing costs, increasing accessibility for patients, and potentially saving lives. The ability to conduct cloud-based screenings without the burden of physical storage for chemical libraries simplifies the logistical challenges associated with drug discovery. 4. Collaboration across disciplines. The collaboration between academia and industry is exemplified by the partnership between the University of Toronto and Insilico Medicine is crucial for fostering innovation. Such collaborations allow for the pooling of resources, expertise, and technology, which can lead to breakthroughs that might not be possible in isolated environments. The report underscores the importance of these collaborative efforts in advancing research and development in healthcare. Many may overlook the systemic changes required to drive such innovations. However, this collaboration model could serve as a blueprint for future research initiatives across various fields. 5. Scalability of findings. While the study offers a proof of principle, the potential for this hybrid approach to be scaled to other undruggable proteins is vital. The researchers' plans to apply their methods to other challenging targets could significantly broaden the impact of their findings beyond KRAS. The significance of this scalability is monumental. If successful, it could lead to breakthroughs in treating a wide range of cancers and other diseases linked to similar protein challenges. This aspect is often overshadowed by immediate findings but is crucial for long-term progress in the field. 6. Limitations in future research directions. Another important aspect that could be easily overlooked is the acknowledgement of the study's limitations. The researchers state that while they show the potential of quantum computing to aid in drug discovery, there is no definitive evidence that these methods outperform traditional approaches. This candidness about the current capabilities of quantum computing is significant as it sets realistic expectations for future research. It also emphasizes the need for continued exploration and validation in this area, reminding the scientific community that innovation is a process marked by continuous improvement rather than immediate success. 7. Insight into the nature of scientific research. The report highlights the iterative nature of scientific research, where initial findings pave the way for further exploration. The ongoing optimization of drug candidates and the application of the hybrid model to other proteins illustrate how scientific inquiry is never truly complete but rather a continual journey. This perspective is often lost in the rush to celebrate breakthroughs, yet it is fundamental to understanding the complexity of scientific advancement. Conclusion. In summary, the report on the integration of quantum computing and AI in cancer research presents several key insights that are crucial for understanding the future of cancer treatment. The emphasis on targeting undruggable proteins like KRAS, the innovative methodologies employed, the potential for accelerated drug development, and the importance of interdisciplinary collaboration are all significant themes that deserve greater attention. Moreover, recognizing the limitations of current findings and the iterative nature of scientific research adds depth to the discussion, reminding us of the complexities involved in the journey toward effective cancer therapies. These elements collectively point toward a transformative shift in how we approach cancer treatment and drug discovery, with the potential to impact millions of lives positively by 2030. The convergence of quantum computing and artificial intelligence (AI) has the potential to revolutionize cancer treatment, especially in targeting previously undruggable proteins such as KRAS. Here are the 4 most valuable points for in-depth analysis and discussion. 1. Targeting KRAS, a major breakthrough in oncology. The KRAS protein is a central player in many cancers, driving uncontrolled cell growth. Despite its significance, there are currently only 2 FDA-approved drugs targeting mutant KRAS with limited effectiveness. The study, co-led by researchers from the University of Toronto and Insilico Medicine, demonstrates how quantum computing combined with AI can create new drug molecules that interact effectively with KRAS. This advancement is crucial as KRAS mutations are implicated in about 25% of human cancers, and the ability to target them effectively could lead to substantial improvements in cancer treatments. Analyzing this breakthrough opens discussions on the implications for drug development and the potential for more effective therapies in oncology. 2. Innovative methodology, hybrid approach to drug discovery. The researchers employed a hybrid methodology that integrates quantum computing with classical computing techniques. By utilizing a custom dataset of 1.1 million molecules and screening them through Insilico Medicine's generative AI engine, they identified 15 promising candidates for targeting KRAS. This approach not only enhances the drug discovery process but also illustrates the efficacy of combining advanced computational techniques with traditional methods. The implications of this methodology could lead to discussions around the future of drug discovery, the necessity of interdisciplinary collaboration, and how these innovations can be applied to other diseases. 3. Accelerated drug discovery, reducing timeframes and costs. Traditional drug discovery processes are often lengthy and resource-intensive. The combination of AI and quantum computing offers a pathway to significantly reduce the preclinical phase of drug discovery, potentially by years. The study emphasizes the advantages of cloud-based screening, which eliminates the need for physical storage of chemical libraries and the logistical challenges associated with conventional methods. This point invites discussions on the economic impact of accelerated drug discovery, potential cost savings in drug development, and how faster processes could lead to quicker patient access to new treatments. For future prospects, expanding beyond KRAS to other proteins. While the current study focuses on KRAS, it serves as a proof of principle for targeting other undruggable proteins. The researchers plan to apply their hybrid quantum classical model to additional targets, highlighting the potential for further advancements in cancer therapeutics. This leads to discussions on the broader implications of this research, how it could reshape the pharmaceutical landscape, the challenges of targeting other complex proteins, and the importance of ongoing innovation in the field. Exploring this future direction also raises questions about the scalability of these methods and their applicability across different types of cancers and diseases. Conclusion: the integration of quantum computing and AI in drug discovery presents a transformative opportunity in cancer treatment, particularly in targeting challenging proteins like KRAS. The methodology, potential for accelerated drug discovery, and future research avenues are critical points that warrant in-depth analysis and discussion, as they may significantly influence the landscape of oncology and personalized medicine by 2030 and beyond. 1. The Manhattan Project 1942–1946. This was a significant research and development project during World War II that produced the first nuclear weapons. The project combined the efforts of scientists, military personnel, and government agencies to harness nuclear fission for use in atomic bombs. The Manhattan Project showcased an unprecedented level of collaboration and innovation in science and engineering, which led to the creation of atomic bombs that were ultimately dropped on Hiroshima and Nagasaki, changing the course of history. 2. The Human Genome Project 1990 to 2003. This international scientific research project aimed to map all the genes of the human species, effectively sequencing the entire human genome. It involved collaboration between scientists from various countries and institutions. The project significantly advanced our understanding of genetics and paved the way for developments in personalized medicine, genetic testing, and biotechnology. The data generated is still being used to inform cancer treatment, genetic disorders, and other medical conditions. 3. Development of penicillin 1928-1940s. The discovery of penicillin by Alexander Fleming and its subsequent development into a widely used antibiotic during World War II was a landmark achievement in medical science. This breakthrough revolutionized the treatment of bacterial infections, saving countless lives. The collaboration between scientists including Howard Florey and Ernst Boris Chain, who worked on the mass production of penicillin, demonstrated the potential of combining expertise in microbiology, chemistry, and medicine to address public health challenges. Future outlook: the convergence of quantum computing and artificial intelligence in cancer treatment by 2030. The integration of quantum computing with artificial intelligence (AI) is poised to revolutionize not only the field of drug discovery but also the overarching landscape of cancer treatment. As we project towards 2030, several key developments are anticipated based on current research trends, particularly the promising study from the University of Toronto and Insilico medicine that targets the KRAS protein, a known culprit in many cancers. Predictions for the future. 1. Breakthroughs in drug discovery. By 2030, we can expect significant advancements in drug discovery processes powered by quantum computing and AI. The study's innovative hybrid methodology, which combines quantum algorithms with generative AI, is likely to become the gold standard in identifying and designing novel drug candidates. This shift will not only expedite the discovery of new therapeutics but will also enable researchers to tackle previously undruggable targets, expanding the range of treatable cancers. 2. Personalized medicine. As quantum computing enhances our understanding of complex biological systems, it will facilitate the development of personalized medicine approaches in oncology. AI algorithms will analyze vast datasets, including genetic information and tumor profiles, to tailor treatments to individual patients. By 2030, personalized therapies that account for the specific mutations in a patient's cancer could become commonplace, leading to more effective and targeted interventions. 3. Accelerated clinical trials. The incorporation of AI and quantum computing will streamline clinical trial designs and patient recruitment processes. By utilizing predictive analytics, researchers can identify suitable candidates for trials more efficiently, reducing the duration and cost of bringing new therapies to market. This acceleration in the clinical trial phase will likely result in faster approvals of innovative cancer treatments. 4. Expansion to other cancer types. While the current focus is on the KRAS protein, the methodologies developed through this research are expected to be applied to other challenging cancer targets. By 2030, we could see the emergence of new drugs targeting a wider array of proteins implicated in various cancers, such as TP53 or MYC. This expansion will provide oncologists with a broader arsenal of therapeutic options. 5. Integration into clinical practice. As these technologies mature, we anticipate their integration into routine clinical practice. Oncologists will likely have access to AI-driven tools that assist in treatment planning, enabling more data-informed decisions. This integration will create a more collaborative environment between technology and healthcare providers, ultimately improving patient outcomes. 6. Global collaboration and open science. The collaboration between academia and industry is demonstrated by the partnership between the University of Toronto and Insilico Medicine will pave the way for more global initiatives. By 2030, we can expect an increase in open science efforts, where researchers share data and findings to accelerate discoveries. This collaborative spirit will enhance innovation and could lead to breakthroughs that might not be possible in isolated environments. 7. Regulatory frameworks and ethical considerations. With the rapid advancement of AI and quantum technologies, regulatory bodies will need to adapt to ensure patients' safety and ethical standards. By 2030, we can anticipate the establishment of clear guidelines governing the use of AI in drug discovery and clinical practice. This will include considerations around data privacy, algorithmic bias, and informed consent. 8. Reduction in healthcare disparities. AI and quantum computing could also play a role in addressing healthcare disparities. By making advanced diagnostic and treatment tools more accessible, underserved populations may benefit from improved cancer care. Efforts to democratize access to these technologies will be crucial in ensuring equitable healthcare outcomes. Conclusion. The convergence of quantum computing and AI represents a transformative shift in cancer treatment with the potential to deliver groundbreaking therapies by 2030. As we look to the future, the collective efforts of researchers, clinicians, and technologists will be essential in overcoming current challenges and realizing the vision of more effective personalized cancer therapies. The ongoing research exemplified by the recent study targeting the KRAS protein serves as a beacon of hope, illustrating how interdisciplinary collaboration can lead to significant advancements in the fight against cancer.